We'll guide you through how to download and install Microsoft 365 Office. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So, Microsoft 365 Office apps are great to go and have because you can go and get access to the apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and others as well. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and complete this. So make sure it's a full guide and don't go and try and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So without any further ado, let's get started. What you're going to need to do is go and open a web browser of your choice, whether that's Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Firefox, it doesn't matter. So in this case, I'm going to go and use Chrome. So I'll go and click there. Now, what we need to do is we need to go and type in Microsoft 365. It is also known as Microsoft Office, but it's mainly known as Microsoft 365 now. So go and search for it. And at the top, you can then go and see it. So we can go and click there, and here we are. So it's important to note that Microsoft 365 does need to be paid, but often it's going to be included if you work at a certain workplace and schools as well. So you may not need to go and buy it. And in fact, you may already have your subscription as well. If you don't have your subscription yet, you can always go and press buy. And you can then scroll down and you can go and see the different options here. You can pay yearly or pay monthly. Sometimes there may be a trial available as well. And after you've gone and done that, I'm just going to show you how it looks like for me because I already have the subscription active. So what I can do is go and press sign in the top right. So this is after you've got your subscription. Let me just go and sign in now. And I can go and enter in my PIN. And now I should go and be signed in. So when you have your subscription, you can actually just go and press your profile icon in the top right. And you can press view account. And this will go and take you to the account page. Sometimes it can take a moment to go and load. And you're going to go and see your subscriptions here. So they're loading here, and I'm going to go and see that I've got Microsoft 365. So what we can then do is you can go and press manage. Then at the top here, you can see the option for install Microsoft 365. So you can go and click there. Now you can go and choose a language that's already set correctly and choose a version. And I want it to be the default version. And you can then go and press install at the bottom. Now, what's shortly going to happen is it should go and download here. Now, this has been blocked, so I'm just going to go and click on it and go and press download and verified file, and it'll then go and download. And then what you need to do is you need to go and open up your file explorer, come over to the left and find downloads, and you find Office Setup. Go and double click on it like so, and you can go and press yes. And it now says we're getting things ready. Go and wait. As you can see, Microsoft 365 and Office is now downloading. When it's complete, it will then go and say you're all set and you can go and press close. Now the apps are now on your computer. Now you can press the Windows Start button at the bottom and you can go and scroll down into all and you'll see your apps. We can come into productivity. You can see Word, Access, Excel, PowerPoint, Publisher. You go and get the idea. And you can always go and search for the specific app you want at the bottom as well. And you can then go and click on it and you can go and start using it.